Today's video on the rear drums of the Land Cruiser, swapping out the auto adjuster. I've realized that I have an issue of where I'm pumping my brakes. Sometimes it works, sometimes I have to give it a couple pumps. And I think this is the issue. As you can see, the teeth are really worn in there, and I think these are backing off. And sometimes it adjusts itself back to work again when I'm driving, other times it doesn't, and I have to give a lot of pumps. So step one, remove the drum. Make sure you're pressing this in from the back and loosen that off. Pull the drum off, expose all this, and then start by taking off all the components. I'll try and video that. So start by winding in the star as far as you can inwards, and that'll help you get some room. There we go. Now all I need to do is put the drum back on now and tighten it up until you hear some drags, put the wheel on and adjust again. Make sure you can hear a bit of drag on there, and then go for a test drive. Rims and tires back on. Just going to go for a test drive now. Sometimes if you throw it in reverse pretty hard and slam on it, it'll adjust them for you and should be good to go.